ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel, Art with May. I go by May here on YouTube, and today I will be talking about the 4 different kinds of homemade tripods that I use in order to shoot my art videos. So, I don't have a tripod, a traditional tripod, and I have to use the items that I have in order to create a video. So, the first one I'll start with is this white thing, and you're probably wondering, what the heck is this? And honestly, I don't know. All I know is it's an Apple product and you can't tell. Well, it says Apple right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see it. So you can see it when I put my hand on the shadow, make it a shadow. But anyways, at first I tried using this lip right here to shoot a video, but I found it doesn't really work because you can't really angle the view. So what I do is I take a book, I tilt it so it's on the spine, whoops, then I tilt this so that's resting on it, and then I put my phone in it, and just to demonstrate I use, whoops, that sometimes happens, it would be like that. So I put it on like that and it'd be like a profile view. So you'd be getting a view that where you can see something far away. So yeah. The second thing that I have is this little guy. And this little guy are actually 2 of my uncle's business cards that I used, and I folded them together and I drew on them while they're folded that J shape, and I cut them out, and there's 2 of them because I had 2 business cards. And I would say that you'd use poster board cards because they're more durable and they're not as flexible too, which comes in handy. And then I used a hot glue gun and I glued them both together, and after that I tested it out on my phone and I found that it is still kind of wobbly. So I also used a hot glue gun and glued a big chunk right there. See if we can focus. Okay, that's not working. Okay, let's see if I can get it to focus. Come on. It's not focusing. Let's see if I can somehow get this thing to focus. My hands are shaking. Whoops. Okay. This isn't working. Come on. Well, anyways, you can see the glue that's in the spine. I glued a big chunk of it, as you can see. Well, not really. And then I took some hot glue and glued it on the legs and also on this leg in order to keep the legs kind of sturdy. So it works a lot better now, and I have to take my phone out of my case because I have an OtterBox case and it's very bulky. And yeah, so it works quite well if I want to get a view that's up close. So the third thing I have is this what's it say? Sorry, it's dusty, don't mind it. Fudge Tech. It's Fudge Tech's LED lamp, and it's quite amazing. It twists and it rotates and it bends forward like that, and it bends backwards now out of the way. And then this thing ejects out, and you can bend it like that. You can bend it all the way to there, and you can bend this all the way to there. So that's what it looks like, completely like that. So what I do is I keep it like this, and I use masking tape. I had to switch it out sometimes because it doesn't always stick that greatly. And I take my phone out of my case, so it's just my phone with no case, which is a little dangerous because it's an iPhone 7, and yeah, it could break if it falls off. A good thing I'm over carpet, at least. That's, yeah. Anyways, I take and put my phone on it, and I do it horizontally. So you get an overview hang, you get an overshot of what I'm doing. So that's really nice and useful. But when my phone's on here, the thing wants to tilt like that. So I take two books, I take this one and another book, and I just put them in the back to balance it out. And it works quite well, and I really like it. So that one's like my most useful one. My most useful homemade tripod. And then also I have for my fourth one is this GoPro headgear that I have. My uncle had this, and I had twine. So, and I had this lamp too from when I was really young. So I thought I could put this all to use, and I took my phone and I rested it on this lip, and I took the twine and I wrapped it around it so that my phone would stay put. So all I have to do is slip my phone through it, and it fits and it stays, and I can get an angled view. So the angled view would look like that from my desk, which would be right there, and my white desk would be here, so I'd be filming like that. So this works really well, and at first I was using it as a headgear because that's what it is, but it was too heavy, and it could have worked, but I couldn't do art with it because my head would have to be tilted down so much. So this works just as well. And last but never least, I have a tripod that I'm actually holding right now, almost like a tiny selfie stick. So let me take it off, and this is what it is. It's just a toilet paper roll. And what I did was I cut the sides of it. I cut it to how long I wanted it, how wide I wanted it. And same with this one, I cut it wider and shorter, so I can get a better angle when I'm filming. So if I have it on this side, it would look like this. That's the angle. But if I had to have it on the original one, it would be straight up. It would be form-fitting. So I like using this one, but this one works if I'm trying to get angled, like a different angle. So this is what I use in. Yeah, basically, those are the. I said 4 in the beginning, but I meant to say 5. Those are the 5 homemade tripods that I use to shoot my art videos. And yeah, and I hope you like. Comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you are interested in seeing more art videos and tips and tutorials, if I do any, and some reviews maybe, and hit that notification bell to get alerts of all my new videos that I'll be posting soon. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!